Hello, welcome to the Student Information System tutorial. In order for us to enter into the platform, we must first enter our username and password. Then we will click enter and that will take us to our home screen. In our home screen, every student will be able to find their academic snapshot, which will include a list of the courses that they are currently enrolled to take. All they have to do is click on any of the courses that they may have, and this will automatically take them into their student learning management system. And here, they will be able to see the scorecards for each of the courses they were assigned. This is where the coursework will be located. They will be able to see their current score as well as the progress that they have made within the course. If I click on any of my courses, it will take me to my landing page, in which I will be able to see my resource center. In my resource center, I will be able to locate my learning coaches. What do you need to do? This will be the #1 place I invite everybody to visit in order for you to know how the courses are set up and for you to understand how best to navigate across the course. You will be able to know the content by simply clicking on the table of content. And if you have any trouble understanding the materials language, you can always highlight it, and using the little tools bar right here, you can use the International Dictionary and have it translated to your own language. You can also click on the arrow here and have it play for you and be read. If this is not your particular language, you can also come here to the tools bar under the little wheel setting and change it under the translations tab. You can then select from over 30 different languages available within the program. Thank you.